With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, question is given here. An inductor, 200 millihenry capacitor, 500 microfarad resistor, 10 ohm are connected in series with a 100 volt variable frequency in AC source. Calculate the frequency at which power factor of the circuit is unity. Okay, and here in second part current, amplitude at the frequency, and in third part Q factor. Okay, so here L is given how much? L is equal to 200 millihenry. Okay, and C capacitor value is how much? 500 microfarad. Okay, and R value is given how much? 10 ohm. Okay, and E value is given how much? 100 volt. Okay, so power factor for the circuit, here power factor for the circuit 1. Okay, power factor, here frequency at which power factor of the circuit unity means power factor of circuit is 1. Okay, unity means 1. Okay, so Z is equal to R. Okay, power factor 1 means Z is equal to R, so that is we can say XL is equal to XC. Okay, or XL, that is omega L, is equal to 1 upon omega C. Okay, so from here L is equal to how much? 1 upon omega square into C. Okay, and omega square is equal to how much? 1 upon LC. Okay, so omega will be how much? Omega is equal to 1 upon under root of LC. Okay, so omega value is, we know, 2 pi into frequency F is equal to 1 upon LC. Okay, so L value is how much? Here L value is 200 millihenry, means 200 into 10 to the power minus 3 into C value is how much? Here C is equal to given how much? 500 microfarad, means 500 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, so from here 2 pi F is equal to how much? 1 upon under root of, this will be how much? 10 to the power minus 4. Okay, so from here 2 pi F is equal to how much? 100. Okay, so from here frequency F is equal to how much? 15.92 Hertz. Okay, so this is the value of frequency. This is part A. Okay, this is part A. Now move in the part B. We have to calculate current amplitude at this frequency. Okay, so in part B, current amplitude IRMS is equal to, we know, VRMS upon Z, and here Z is equal to R. Okay, so at resonance frequency Z is equal to R, so current amplitude I naught is equal to V naught upon Z. Okay, so V naught value is V root 2 upon Z value is equal to R. Okay, so V is how much? 100 root 2 upon R is how much? 10, so that is equal to how much? 10 root 2 ampere. Okay, now move in the part C. We have to calculate here the Q factor. Okay, so Q factor is equal to 1 upon R into under root of L upon C. Okay, so this will be how much? 1 upon R, 1 upon 10 into L value is how much? 200 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, upon C value is how much? 500 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, so from here this will be 20 upon 10, that is equal to So this is the Q factor. So this is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.